So this is how I clean the surface of my vinyl records. I start with a homemade solution of about 500 milliliters of distilled water, in which I add about 10 milliliters of 91% isopropyl alcohol and about 1.5 milliliters or a quarter teaspoon of Blue Dawn dish soap. Mix that together and I will dust off the surface of the record first to get any dust and debris off the surface, and then I'll put my homemade 3D printed label protector onto the center label, and I will saturate the surface of the record with my homemade cleaning solution. Then I'll let it sit for about a minute. I'll use a designated microfiber cloth to mop up the solution. I'll spray the surface of the record with just plain distilled water, and then use a designated microfiber cloth for mopping up just the plain distilled water. And then I'll use a third microfiber cloth that will wick up any remaining moisture on the surface of the record. The key elements to this are to make sure you got about 4 clean microfiber cloths, one for dusting off the surface, one for wicking up the solution, one for wicking up the plain distilled water, and one for drying it off at the very end. It's also good to have a label protector so you don't get the label wet. You can get one of these on Amazon, or if you have a 3D printer, I can email you the STL file for the one I designed. It's also nice having an old broken turntable that you can use to clean your records on. If you don't have one of those, you can easily buy a 12-inch basic turntable on Amazon. If I find anything worthwhile, I'll link it in the description down below. And finally, I will, after cleaning all my records, re-sleeve them by putting the album cover inside of an outer sleeve and the record itself in a new inner sleeve. I got the Hudson Hi-Fi 250 inner, 250 outer package for like $67 on Amazon. It's about 27 cents per record, and seemed more than worth it. Especially when you re-sleeve them the way I do, where I'll actually put the inner sleeve in the rear of the record inside of its outer sleeve, so I don't have to actually physically handle the cover anymore, thus reducing the risk of damage to it. If I still want to listen to the record, I don't have to actually open the record cover, which is nice. So hopefully this helps you, and thanks for watching.